Sri Sai Chatvarita, Chapter 22. Rescues of Sarpan bites Balasaheb Merkar, Balasaheb Bhoti, Amar Sarkar, Hemapadan Baba, opinion regarding killing Sarpans. Primary, how to meditate on Baba. No one able to fathom the nature of homoformity. Even the Vedas or of tongues, Shastras can be described fully. Devotees cannot understand or look at the Lord there, but they know holy fifth source of grace attains supreme goal of life. They know no matter method to mediate or holy feet of the Lord. Hemapadan suggests a easy way of devotion and meditation follows. As the full moon every month gradually diminishes, the moonlight also in the same degree as the new of new moon. The moon is not visible, nor to do get a we get a light. Therefore, the moon begins reappear. People want to ban access sees the present such. On the night of the first new moon will be not seen. The night is continuously clearly visible. People also they're asked look at moon those spreading branches of trees. Grace is not from the distance small percent of whom comes a great light. Following this method, let us try to look at the Baba poster, how it's fine. He's sitting with us left folded on the left knee, his fingers suspended on the foot. His right hand stopping the darkness from grounds spread by the spots of Baba means to be sweet will. I to see well let may be egoless, most humble meditation my toe and opening between the two branches, and then able to see the my light disease is once of us and now let us sense the moment of Baba's life. Study became place of pilgrimage of Baba stay people all over the flung to there which began to bless and manipulate in many ways who describes the Baba boundless love natural or influence of blessed explains in those sometimes Baba also long periods on the heavy research on Brahma other times he was considered this one surrounded by stories sometimes the Prabhupada at the sometimes included with the camera sometimes was put and clear directed to questions is in case following games are teaching natural under the certain secondly, argue the length, the more they give instruction to different bhaktas according to the requirements is inseparable beyond the mind entering the switches or long used to be seen. His leaders claiming to satisfy still be work for joy. We can measure some amount of painful velocity, but who can measure the greatness of Sai Baba leaders? Now we shall address aspect of them who will permit first account devotees watered in the time. ಬಾಲಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಲಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಮಿರಾಕರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ Prakash Matakosta Matanlopo Kopi Grand was going to Chitali and stop and they stayed to see Sai Baba when he went to Masjid and posted and see Baba. The issue comes regarding the health and other matters concerned when Baba sounded note of warning. Do you know Dwarakamai was not understand he to Baba controlling Dwarakamai? Where you are sitting, see what's for dangers and asking let them is Mastita. His merciful this she is a mother and simple devotees to Hindu kilometers once a person some lack of struggles for over. He wants to be placed to the Baba will be placed as a protecting of the head. When Baba was about to depart, Baba you know Baba long gentleman was serpent and closing his fist he bought near the elbow more the foot of serpent said he should be but what came to the children of the Dwarakam when Dwarakam protects what do the servants do? Everyone present was curious to know what is the meaning reference in America, but none asked Baba. Then Bala Shahi selected Baba and looked at Masjid Shama Baba called Shama back and asked the company of Bala Shahi to check Charlie trip. Shama went on Bala and told him he would come with him. According to Baba, Bala Shahi replied, no need to come as it is an inconvenience. Shama would return. Baba told him, Baba, all right, do not go. We should mean well, do well. Whatever does not happen to come. Meanwhile, Balasha caused things for us and asked second to come here. So what to come superly and stand up in the tank of Balasha. They reached the Chalapan and the Maruti temple. The office people are not to come. Taking quietly talking Balasha sitting on the mat reading in a super office. Uparna was spread across into the waist part of the lake. Snake was sitting unobserved. It began to move rustling sound. It also been beyond he bought the letter. He saw the snake raise the alarm. Serpent Balasha began to request. Sama was also shocked. Then he went to move now. So he took his name on the hands and snake got down. Balasha was moving. Thus moved down to death. Thus this claim to propose to Baba was overturned. Balasha was deeply confirmed. Balasahib Bhoti. One day, great astronomer Balasahib Nagasahib Benkley told that Balasahib, who was instructed to raise a spring the species for you, there is a danger to your life. This made me restless when the Anashul came to Masjid. Baba said, what is the Nanasahib who tells death for you? Well, you need to be afraid, not to be afraid. He told them boldly. Let us see how death kills later this evening. And Balasahib went to Pranam using himself. He saw a snake His servant saw it, lifted a standalone stick. Baba saw the stick before the servant returned the stick. The snake was seen moving loose from the stick. Baba said, "Remove the word is fearless." Amit Shakar. Amit Shakar was a native village of the Karnataka. He belonged to the Bachar caste. He was the commission against agents in Bantara, well known as the He once suffered my matters which caused me great pain, but upon recovering, he decided to leave business and interest in secret. Baba lives in Malady. Baba then asked him to the Chavadi, what was the time damp and healthy, unfit for occasion, to another village for trusting failure, better for Amit, but Baba was also deserting factor and cheap medicine. Baba did not allow me to come to Masjid, but also in the Chavadi where he get to say the great reconnaissance. Baba passed Chavadi every morning, also Lieutenant Baba and possessing the thus, Amir was usually conducted by Baba but accommodation was ordered for 9 months, but the moral respect for place. Only he still with the women to Paramount State in the Dharmasala. There is a old dying fakir asking for about Amir walking on drinking one man first time, but this put Amir is a fix. He thought he and Baba would be responsible for that. As he was the first and sole information about the matter, he then repented for his action and prayed to Baba. Amir decided to return steady. Same ran all way back, all while remembering muttering Baba again. He reached the TV. Action after he then reached Audi and perfect accordance with Baba wishes and was cured. One night it so happened Baba cried out when and oh Abdul, some devilish creatures dashing against my bed. Abdul came and examined the Baba's bed, but nothing found. Baba asked him to examine the place carefully. Against I could Executions Leela Merbota Meta suspected Sarpanch had come in. Amir knew but was in long contact with the girl. He examined then Baba saw something more near Amir cushion. He asked Abdul to bring the cylinder called Sarpanch. The Sarpanch married to be tended but Baba continued to say Amir. But action on Sarpanch Baba recommendation Kaka Sabi due to subsequent Maharaja Baba and Barama Hampatan had a good fortune to the audience of the writing of things to be known. Once when a portion which Rama is being read and created to Hanuman testing Rama greatness according to mother instruction the scenes will spawn. Hampadan also one of them suddenly big scorpion jumped from the land and Hampadan transferred this on his Pernayat was not noted but Lord Products intention stories Hampadan later plans to there was a death silence not to be remembered it seems to be engineering then Lord Bliss Hampadan disturbed the audience to daughter for older him and bought it in pleasant sparkling within. He went through it in the garden. On another occasion, some people sitting in the upper floor, Kaka saw over a nightfall. One serpent crept in the window frames followed. The light was gotten, the stick the solid first over his hand. Many people rushed to the sticks and could the sight of but no blow dealt upon hearing noiseless man serpent went isolated in a scene hole every person out of Baba opinion. One devotee named Mitra was good for a church take him but then challenged him. Same result better, serpents are to be killed. There was a hot discussion between the former contenders and secretars, not the later they should. As night came, discussion came to an end without arriving at any decisions. Neither Hampadan would change their opinion. It was the to be Baba's next day. Baba settled the matter, saying, God lives in being courageous, whether the circumstances is a greater whisper of the whole circumstances obeys command unless he was it nobody can do harm to others. The world is dependent on him, no one is independent, we should therefore curtail our praises upon our religion. The Lord is protector of all. I'm reading Bob